Well, howdy there. Welcome to our little town of Brushstroke Falls. Now let me tell you about our most interesting resident. That there's William Corzine's house. Folks around here say he's got a special kind of talent, and not the good kind. See, legend has it that anyone William paints, well, they don't stick around for too long after, if you catch my drift. William's been a recluse for years. Folks only see him when they're brave enough to commission a painting. Now, this Christmas, things got real interesting. 3 folks, all saying they're on their last legs, asked William to paint them. First up was old Mrs. Petunia, said her heart was giving out.
Mr. Corzine, I want to be remembered as I was in my prime.
William painted her looking young and vibrant. It was a sight to see. Then came Mr. Fitzgerald, claiming cancer was eating him up inside.
Make me look strong again, William, like I used to be.
And boy, did William deliver. Mr. Fitzgerald looked like he could wrestle a bear in that painting. Last was young Tim, saying he had some rare disease.
Please, Mr. Corzine, I want my parents to have something to remember me by.
William painted Tim looking healthy and happy, playing in the snow. But here's where things get twisty. Turns out young Tim was fit as a fiddle.
Tim, how could you lie about being sick?
I just wanted to be famous, like in the stories about Mr. Corzine's paintings.
Well, that set the town a-buzzin'. Was the curse real, or just coincidence?
Maybe we've been wrong about him all these years.
But what about all those other people who,
The town was split. Some wanted to welcome William back, others were still scared. That's when William made a decision that had us all holding our breath.
If my brush truly holds such power, then I shall paint myself.
We all waited, wondering what would happen next.
It's beautiful.
I realized the real curse was the fear that kept me isolated all these years.